Hello, everybody. My name is Rose, a representative of my group, and welcome to Pharmacology, a YouTube short series dedicated to teaching pharmacology. I will be giving a short insight on some topics about pharmacokinetics. First, pharmacokinetics data has a value in clinical application of drug. In clinical application of drugs, pharmacokinetics deals in the movement of drugs in the body. It quantifies the fate of the drug by measurement of its concentration and metabolites in blood and urine over a period of time, involving its parameters. Number 2. Therapeutic window reflects the clinical efficacy of the drug. Therapeutic window refers to the area between the minimum and maximum dose of a drug, and exceeding to the maximum level will result to toxicity of an organism, and thus should be followed. That is all for today. I hope you learned a thing or two. Goodbye!